Have you ever finished eating a delicious avocado and found yourself staring at the large, glossy pit left behind, wondering if it could be put to good use? Instead of tossing it in the trash or compost, what if you could turn that humble pit into a thriving, beautiful houseplant? Don't throw it away. Try growing your very own avocado tree right at home. It's a fun, rewarding project that anyone can do, no matter your gardening experience. Growing an avocado indoors is surprisingly simple, budget-friendly, and perfect for beginners or anyone looking to add a touch of green to their space. You don't need a big backyard or fancy equipment, just a little patience and curiosity. There's something truly magical about watching a tiny sprout push its way out of the pit and slowly transform into a leafy, vibrant plant. It's a hands-on way to connect with nature, and it's especially fun to share the process with kids or friends. Avocado trees make stunning houseplants, with their glossy deep green leaves and elegant stems. They bring a sense of calm and lushness to any room, instantly brightening up your living space and purifying the air. The best part? You only need a few basic supplies: an avocado pit, some water, a glass or jar, and a sunny windowsill. No garden, no soil, and definitely no green thumb required to get started. While it's true that growing fruit indoors is rare, the real joy comes from nurturing your plant from seed and watching it flourish. The lush foliage is a reward in itself, and the process teaches patience, care, and a deeper appreciation for how plants grow. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step of the journey, from sprouting your pit, to caring for your young plant, to shaping it as it grows. You'll learn how to give your avocado tree the best start and keep it healthy as it matures. We'll cover 2 simple methods to get your avocado pit sprouting, plus essential tips for providing the right amount of light, water, and warmth. You'll also discover how to troubleshoot common issues and encourage strong, healthy growth. Imagine bringing a little bit of the tropics into your home, creating a peaceful green oasis that you nurtured from scratch. Whether you're a plant lover or just looking for a new hobby, growing an avocado tree is a rewarding adventure. So grab your avocado pit, gather your supplies, and let's embark on this green journey together. Your very own avocado tree is just a few steps away. Let's get started and watch it grow. The first step in growing your own avocado tree at home is to sprout your avocado pit. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly rewarding, as you get to watch the transformation from a humble seed to a thriving plant right before your eyes. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, sprouting an avocado pit is a fun and educational project that anyone can try. There are 2 easy and popular methods to get your avocado pit started: the water method and the soil method. Each has its own unique advantages, and you can choose whichever suits your preferences or the materials you have on hand. Let's start with the water method. Begin by carefully washing the pit to remove any remaining fruit, but be sure to keep the brown skin intact as it protects the seed. Next, insert 3 or 4 toothpicks evenly spaced around the middle of the pit. These toothpicks will act as supports, allowing you to suspend the pit over a glass of water. Position the pit so that the broad, flat end, the bottom, faces down, and the pointed end faces up. Rest the toothpicks on the rim of the glass so the bottom of the pit sits in the water, but the top half remains dry. This setup encourages the roots to grow downward into the water, while the sprout emerges from the top. Place your glass in a warm, bright spot, such as a sunny windowsill. It's important to change the water every few days to prevent mold and bacteria from forming, and to keep the water level high enough to cover the bottom of the pit at all times. Now comes the hardest part: waiting. Sprouting can take anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Over time, you'll notice roots beginning to grow from the bottom, followed by a small sprout pushing its way out of the top. If you prefer a more traditional approach, try the soil method. Start by filling a small pot with a well-draining potting mix. Good drainage is essential to prevent the pit from rotting, so choose a mix designed for houseplants or succulents. Plant the avocado pit with the bottom half buried in the soil and the top half exposed to the air. This allows the roots to grow downward while the sprout can easily emerge from the top. Gently press the soil around the pit to hold it in place. Water the soil thoroughly after planting, making sure it's evenly moist but not waterlogged. Avocado pits need consistent moisture to sprout, but too much water can cause them to rot, so check the soil regularly and adjust as needed. Place your pot in a warm, sunny location, such as a windowsill that gets plenty of indirect light. Every few days, check the soil moisture with your finger. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water again. Consistent warmth and light will help speed up the sprouting process. No matter which method you choose, patience and regular care are key. Both the water and soil methods require you to monitor your pit, keep it moist, and provide plenty of light. Over time, you'll see the first signs of life as roots and shoots begin to develop. Ultimately, the choice between the water and soil methods comes down to your personal style and what you find most enjoyable. Some people love watching the roots grow in water, while others prefer the simplicity of planting directly in soil. Either way, you're setting the stage for a healthy avocado plant. Once your pit has sprouted and you see those first green leaves, you're well on your way to growing a beautiful avocado tree. This is a rewarding milestone, and it's just the beginning of your plant's journey. Now that your avocado pit is sprouting, let's move on to the next important step, finding the perfect spot in your home to help your new plant thrive. Avocado trees crave bright light, ideally at least 6 hours a day. A south-facing window is best, but east or west-facing windows work too. Watch for yellowing or leggy growth. These are signs your plant needs more light. Rotate the pot weekly for even growth. If natural light is limited, use a full-spectrum LED grow light for 12-16 hours a day. In summer, your avocado will love a vacation outdoors. Just acclimate it gradually to avoid sunburn. Bring it back inside before the first frost. The right spot makes all the difference for a healthy, vibrant plant. With the perfect location, your avocado tree will thrive and brighten your space. Next, let's talk about watering. Proper watering is key to keeping your plant happy. Avocado trees thrive when their soil is kept moist, but it's crucial to avoid making it soggy. This balance is key to ensuring your tree's health and vitality. To determine if your avocado tree needs watering, simply check the soil with your finger. If the top inch feels dry to the touch, it's time to give your plant a drink. This simple test helps prevent overwatering. When watering, ensure you do so thoroughly until you see water draining from the bottom of the pot. This ensures that the roots receive adequate moisture. Remember to empty the saucer to prevent water from stagnating. It's important to avoid letting the pot sit in standing water, as this can lead to root rot, a common issue that can severely affect your plant's health. The watering needs of your avocado tree will change with the seasons. During the warmer months of spring and summer, your tree will require more frequent watering. Conversely, in the cooler fall and winter months, you should reduce the frequency. Be mindful of the signs your plant gives you. Overwatering can cause the leaves to become yellow and limp, while underwatering will result in dry, crispy leaves. Both are indicators that adjustments are needed. Always be ready to adjust your watering routine based on your plant's specific needs, rather than adhering to a strict schedule. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining a healthy plant. Pay close attention to your plant's signals. Observing the leaves and overall appearance will guide you in providing the best care possible. With the right watering routine, your avocado tree will not only stay healthy and strong, but will also thrive, adding a touch of lush greenery to your indoor space. Now let's delve into the importance of temperature and climate control, which are equally vital for your avocado tree's well-being. Keeping your plant comfortable is easier than you might think. By ensuring the right environment, you can enjoy a thriving avocado tree that enhances your living space. Avocado trees thrive in warm, stable conditions, ideally 60-85 degrees Fahrenheit, 16-29 degrees Celsius. Avoid drafts, sudden temperature changes, and direct blasts from heaters or AC vents. In winter, keep your plant away from cold windows. In summer, shield it from intense midday sun with a sheer curtain. If you move your tree outdoors for summer, acclimate it slowly, and bring it in before temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. A consistent, cozy environment helps your avocado tree grow its best. With the right climate, your plant will reward you with lush growth. Next, let's boost humidity for a truly happy avocado. Humidity matters. Here's how to help. Avocado trees love humidity, but most homes are too dry, especially in winter. Create a humidity tray. Set your pot on pebbles in a water-filled tray, water below the pot's base. Mist the leaves with water a few times a week to boost humidity and keep them clean. Group your avocado with other houseplants to raise local humidity naturally. For serious plant lovers, a small humidifier can make a big difference. These simple tricks help prevent brown leaf tips and keep your plant thriving. With the right humidity, your avocado tree will look its best. Now let's talk about feeding your plant. Potted avocado trees need extra nutrients to grow strong. Fertilize with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer, like October 10th 10, at half strength every 4-6 weeks in spring and summer. Hold off on feeding in fall and winter when growth slows. Always water before fertilizing to protect the roots. Watch for signs. Pale leaves mean more food is needed. Brown tips or white crusts mean you may be overdoing it. If you over-fertilize, flush the soil with plenty of water. Proper feeding keeps your avocado tree vibrant and healthy. With the right nutrients, you'll see lush, green growth. Next, let's shape your plant for a fuller look. Pruning is the secret to a beautiful avocado tree. Know you've been a good friend. Pruning keeps your avocado tree compact, bushy, and healthy. When your plant is about 12 inches tall, snip off the top 2 sets of leaves to encourage branching. Pinch back new growth every 6 inches to promote a fuller shape. Remove yellow or dead leaves as needed. Regular pruning keeps your plant manageable and attractive. Don't be afraid, pruning helps your tree thrive indoors. With a little shaping, your avocado will become a stunning houseplant. Now let's answer the big question. Will it fruit? Here's what to expect from your indoor avocado tree. Growing an avocado tree indoors is a lesson in patience. It can take months just to sprout and years to grow into a small tree. Fruiting indoors is extremely rare. Most trees grown from pits won't produce avocados, and pollination is tricky. Commercial avocados come from grafted trees, which are bred for fruiting. Instead, enjoy your avocado as a beautiful, lush houseplant. Celebrate each new leaf and the satisfaction of growing something from seed. The real reward is the vibrant greenery and the joy of nurturing life. With care and patience, your avocado tree will be a unique, living centerpiece for years to come. Thanks for joining this green adventure. Happy growing. Your avocado journey has just begun.